Okay guys, so in order to understand the annotation, you just need to first understand these four things guys. Very important. You just need to understand first, okay, and then you can do whatever you want. Okay, you can see this. First, what is test method? Okay, what is test method? So guys, test method is a set of instruction to execute. Okay, these are the set of instruction to execute. Okay, we can say that set of instruction. Okay, these are the set of instruction that are need to be execute. Okay, what is test method? These are the set of instruction that needs to be execute. Okay, so now these test methods are in test class, where it is in the, you can see this, it is in the test class guys. Okay, it is in the test class. Okay guys, it is in the test class. So what is a test class? That contains single or multiple test methods. Okay, you just need to understand this thing guys. Okay, what is a hierarchy? Okay, I'm just showing you what it is. Okay, so what it is, what is a test class? Contains single or multiple, what, single or multiple test methods. Okay, what it contains, single, okay, single or multiple test methods. Okay, now another thing, another concept is your test case. What it is, test case. Okay, this is your test case. So what is a test case guys? Just tell me, just tell me, what is the test case? Contains single or multiple, what, test classes. Okay, would it contain single or multiple test classes? Okay, this is what it is, this is what it is, contain single or multiple test classes. Okay, another, you can see this, this is your, this is your test suite. Okay, now what test suite will contain? Just tell me guys, contains single or multiple test, what, cases. Okay, I should say, wait a second guys. Okay, contains single or multiple okay, okay, now it's done. Okay guys, so this is a hierarchy that you need to know, and this whole hierarchy, what it name as, this whole hierarchy is named as, guys, I should say this hierarchy, this whole hierarchy is named as hierarchy in TestNG. Okay, hierarchy in TestNG. Guys, if you understand this concept, your building of test cases or become a pro tester in any of these test cases, or in order to categorize the things, you can able to make it. A test method is contained in a test class contains in a test cases, and test cases are contained in test suite. Okay, so this is a main important point that you need to understand first. Okay guys, and another point, guys, okay, another point that I need to do is that I just want to show you this is a test class. Okay, I've shown you how to create a Maven project, guys. Not Maven, I should say that how to create a test ng. Okay, you just need to type here test ng. Okay, and just click on this next. Okay, next, and you can see this, guys, you can see these are the annotations. Okay, so we will discuss these annotations in detail. Okay, in the greater detail, that what individual annotations, and basically why there is a need for an annotation. Okay, in the next part of this video, why there is a need for an annotation, because it is the most important thing that you need to understand first. Okay, and then you can able to categorize. Okay guys, so this is it for this video, guys. Till then, what it is, happy Selenium, guys.